Good morning, my people. We're already standing by for Chief Doctor Sir JJ Zoka for triple celebration preparations. Live at his residence, we are getting things ready. Things are already getting set, and we want to remind all his guests. The event is scheduled 12th October at St. Joseph Pro Cathedral. At St. Joseph Cathedral, Ekwulobia, for the opening mass in celebration of his papal night investiture, his parents' memorial, his birthday. So the mass is for these three events, but the parents' memorial comes up on 13th, being Friday, while his birthday is on Saturday. So if you have the time, come and celebrate with Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo during this moment. We'll keep you posted, we'll keep you updated, we'll keep you live, we'll keep you up to date with all the happenings. Thank you very much. This is still Benjin TV, your number one online channel. Make sure you subscribe. This is the second venue for the triple celebration of Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo. As you can see, the preparation is ongoing. The setups are seriously getting in place. It's really going to be a massive event. As Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo celebrates his papal night investiture, his parents' memorial, and his birthday, a triple celebration. So as you can see, the venue is getting ready, is being prepared in a very wonderful and special way. The stage is also getting ready gradually. So it's going to be a massive event. It's really going to be great. From 12th October to 14th of October. So we are live at the second venue and the main venue. The main venue for the event on the 12th is St. Joseph Cathedral, Ekwulobia. Then on 13th will be at the residence of Chief Sir JJ Zokafo. And on 14th too will also be at the residence of Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo. So we'll keep you up to date. We'll keep you posted while we celebrate with him. It's really going to be massive. So the tents are getting ready. So we keep you posted, we keep you updated. Stay tuned. This is Benjin TV bringing you all the activities of the event. Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo triple celebration is an event that will redefine events within this environment. So while the preparation for the celebration is ongoing, it is also worthy to note that the tiling of this place, the whole of this podium, both the left and right wings, were done by Chief Dr. Sir JJ Zokafo. As you can see, the work is still ongoing. It's been done by Chief Dr. Sajeje Zoka for the tiling and the smooth landscaping of this whole environment, not just for this celebration, but for the proper support of the church projects. And of course, we already know that he has been a major sponsor, and in fact, he's actually the vice chairman of the Cathedral Pastoral Council, and he has been a very big supporter of the activities in this church from the conception of the building till this very moment. Of course, it's St. Joseph Cathedral, and he himself is Joseph also. So it's a wonderful thing as his community is going to experience a new dimension, an event, a new celebration, a new way of thanking God for his goodness, his benevolence, and most importantly, the gift of birth, the gift of life, and the gift of memories, wonderful memories, memories that make life what it is, the memory of his parents. We are still in the process of preparation for the triple celebration of Chief Dr. Sir J.J. Zokafo. Where we are right now is at the popular ekwulobia roundabout, which is now being converted into stadium. So as work is going on, and Chief Dr. Sir J.J. Zokafo being one of the prominent and a major developer in the community, so the event holding up tomorrow, there's already a pre-arrangement that all the vehicles coming in for the event will assemble at this free space now for easy accessibility to the venue of the event, which is just few meters from here. So here will be the parking space for that event, and as we can see, the construction company is already making way for the attendants for that event to clear up this space. Let me talk to one of the park managers so that they will tell us the updates on this particular location and what people are expected to know and do. Welcome here, Kenegi. Because what can I even remember no to?
Yeah, me back at Apple. Oh, no, when the line, I got no performance in the line in the park here today. As you know, I got government jack and I got me to do it to Epita. On one night, okay. To JJ the car for Jesco. Way better than the sense, going to the government jack. Look where Banning. I will go out and then okay, me. So, can you imagine where you go by a park? I need to say, but this is a man, they saw a car, my government house, wherever. I had to wait to put a park in Muta. I dare or them manana, even in Kengo, and even a governor I got beach, you have a poor gaffia. Of where I got money, him them.
Okay, if you know why get up on Chief Dr. Sajejo Zokafo bifenyela ka clear this place. Cordelende Mado is used as a parking space.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. I know I'm going to I'm going to anything in there. I am not sneaky because I go there magic imagine Jesus Christ when you are.
Amen. Why can I get no depuliche? So because we are batakulo about the parking space, maka mmemme nke Chief Dr. Sajeje Zokafo Neme na St. Joseph Cathedral, which is just few distance from here. That's the tower of St. Joseph Cathedral. So as you can see, it's very close to this place. So on your park remote here, which is why you move down to the venue of the event. When I chop no Chief Dr. Sajeje Zokafo Bifenyela can we clear this place. Audio no question there. When I can hear na Udepuliche, when I Quadokwazi Maka Mema Gapriche, Ekwulobia, which is 12th day of October 2023. We're still live on the preparation process. The setup is taking full shape for the triple celebration of Chief Dr. Sajeje Zokafo. At St. Joseph Cathedral, Ekwulobia. Almost everything is taking full shape.
My own.
The white man taking palm wine with Chief Dr. Sajeje Zokafo. One of African special drink, palm wine. Zokafo taking special palm wine with a white man, celebrating the culture of Africa. The white man is wishing him a special birthday as they drink palm wine together in an African way.
Anambra.
Anambra. Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia in Anambra.
Why? Uno hota yene. So if we are angry in the north was north. And the team by young on because of his argument. So even the good man I got here. When you think of him or say, people get made with a all of it on that thing. Wine and do okay, on an we are the joint work here, mega parayu. When I get us when I like I can so much, because we want it. Hallelujah. The blog guy now, on even I got a massive. Oh no, now, since I am with here, and I anybody, man, now, to rest. Even the Queen Kelowna, your barrier, my you graduate back, Hawaii, or they go at the Atma or and they try. There's nothing we can do. During our phone, nothing. So here you know. So what do you get? But the one come on. Where you want it? If now, I got a number of pennies. So, we're there, home where you're there, look at it. You put your offer, you say, quite generally, let you get a if I won't be that way. We have an errand. We go ahead and they can make it. Okay, you've been out on it. And then do much of that. So you're not called now. I think that the government is not a tablet. My name is managed. The government is thereby on everything. So can you utilize it? Once you know one and then they are not, you will not have looking guy. Did you have them on eat? You will guy eat it down. Yeah, well, yeah. Only for what you're so many people. Someone else might be I can't get a bear or Catalonia away with the PCI. They go to Canada with you. I'm not that idea with them. So, come on now, don't mind that. You're not sick. We hear Yahoo and that's no. We are not suffering now. Because almost something you can do to make it. So, only all your life, I'm not going to have the man where. And here now we're back at them in the bicycle where. On the
Togo.
The Togo.
Fado Cotonou.
Togo and Cotonou. On the Biaboy, I will try out the more. So when you go up on the night, you're not going to buy. Can't you buy him? Oh, you're in there. So here I don't use I don't buy a matter. You don't get more, you don't touch all. I marry so you do that thing. But the woman who almost what you better, I will take you. You know, you was a man and die. I don't remember now. Sorry. So here, my mabel, all the way to the I had even. We don't start it. We don't get married. We don't want to get out of there. So I said, you know what? I'm not here about the bias. So that's why you back down. You go down there. I'm not so I think man, you need man with it now. You're not there. You're and that's an enemy. Now, you got to go to Bangalore. Now, when you're make that. So I'm for that I like the ending. And it was, but all I could I don't care because I have a future call. Now, even the mouth, my back on I'm there. So, I exhaust. That's happened a boy now, but one does almost on a one does that have to put boy on that taken and doing like this. We're not. Never get it. Even my dad on the outside. Some good. I'm a driver. I go a driver. I will get that. I'm buy one-fourth. When they go in our way, ndị na-enwechagoro ndị draiva ya ndị idola amaghị na aja o nwere enyi nwoke ngwa ya sị isere ya ga-enwe high BP because onye banyị na ọ ka mma mbọsị agbara ọsọ onye ọsa fudo ma ya kadoro ma nkada ya wee dama ihe ịnọ ya nwee BP ka ya na-eme ka ndị bere anya moto I decided to do like that and then when BP we make sure they know their thought because ndị banyị na nyere mbụ because ofu onye banyị nyere ma nyere bụ moto m ga bọnkịrị ọwụ bọnkịrị bụ ndị road ụmụnne ndị bọyị anyị mobile race ọ ife mere na mobile race nwa afọ mma road rie mmanụ n'elu instead n'elu oge ede road na-ebata mmanụ ebe ọ road wee nke business ma gaa ihe repọt ejide moto n'ebe a that the first trailer and the youth are in youth are in make youth are in anani youth are in amazing moment or not because of internet onye ṅụrụ ibe na-eme ego onye kara ibe onye hajara isi ibe emebe ihe mana ịnere m anya nwụrụ onye mkpọrọ ya nwekwe a na ema akwa nwekwe ese nwekwe na-ebe mkpọrọ isi ọ na-aghara mkpọ isi and ya adị mma ọ na ebe a dan ọ na-akpọ ọbịa ndị ọ na-ekwu a na-eji ọbịa na-agba egwu ọ hịchacha isi ọ na-agba egwu na mama na ọma ya emecha bụ na ọma no atụghị ezigbo alụ enyi atụrụ na ezigbo alụ nwa ike ime ọfụma because ihe onye na-agba egwu n'ọgbọ ka emecha ihe ya na-agba egwu inwe ga-eche na ọ na-ahara ọnwụ ha ahara ka ọ na kama na ndị enyi yut ya emisiri ibiri ya ya nwebe aṅụrị bụ kwesịrị esi achọ m ụmụ nwe aṅụrị bụ na-ekwesịrị inwe ihe dị na na-eme nwoke ihe ọzọ mana ebe ka na egwu mmadụ gbanye mana onye ahụ ejikwa ya ụdị oke anya ụwayo
aguata. Aibra, no, Tima, come look at that aguata. No, Dada, Dagata, and you make anyone ever. You read the now for you, Dagata, I know. Mgbe ị na-agba ka agụata na-aga n'elu ka youth na-abụ uru ọ ya mere na mgbe anyị so anyị na media aid wee na-esi na youth agụata maka ife onye mere mma isi akansa ị na-eme because one anyị na-agụata anyị na-afụ industrialization a na-ekwu those that help to industrialize agụata iso anyị ma many factories nwere na agụata mgbe many youth ọkwa ikefe na factory anyị youth from various other towns in Aguata and all the paramilitaries and staff, I need a neighbor and do Anglican, Catholic, I only guy and Naruka and those industries. And that's one of the best ways to empower youth. In as near Madi, or we in Madi as you go to this. Okay, but I thought with the same line, after the same like on Aga, youth for one book, go over so that I very more angry and buy everything angry. And anyị batara okwu nke ọma ihe e mekwara anyị ma na ihe mere ihe a bụ igosi our own work association just otu egwu na enwebeghị nke igwe efi nke ime nka iweta nwaanyị mana anyị ji obere ife a were si ka anyị bịa gosi igosi na youth Aguata dị n'azụ na anyị na-afụ ihe ị na-eme ma ebe charity ị na-eme various family I didn't know most of those family members have been from those charity and employment in the youth. So I make yours rago nwanyị onye wete wee bie 100 dọla isi iji asị gị biko nwa Chineke na go nye yut agbata si ka were silitaisa na ọrụ mmiri na arụ yut agbata then wee kwa the same time iji asị gị na biko na yut agbata dịkwa n'obi biko ka iwuru great patron agbata youth because no ego mmadụ ka iwu ka adịsadị na atụrụ anyị o kwesịrị nwanne otu anyị akpọ youth agbata ọ bụrụ na stadium or na hall iji anya anyị some experience how to move like ihe gwara this way bido from the scratch ndị mara marakwa na amụrụ ọgụ with the golden spoon ọ bụrụ ikwuru ọ mgbe ịgwa na mara Chineke mere obodo gị ebe ị nọ so that and you go inspiration to many of our youth so some of our youth dị mmakwa na mee ụzọ ndị abụrụ anyị ụzọ gawa mekiri enu ọ bụrụ wayo ọ bụrụ fọ nna ya ọ bụrụ izu ochi or ibu ka ndị a ji meke edu ndụ lee na atịọ tisi na ọzọ enwe ego mbi whereas youth na ma ndị na-aṅụ ihe ọṅụṅụ ma ndị na-ebu ego ụfọdụ ego bidi already na 40, 45, 50 so all ya guys biko na anyị gara aka ga iwu great patron agbata youth biko so that they can so that then when in a direct youth agbata with your experience and your support we believe like challenge people na people going to youth jee mụọ ọrụ then mucha I na satisfy na imuchago they always get to support make sure that youth have a bright future because I tinye and all youth cancer agbata tinye and all making sure na really to go through your peer and all making sure na youth agbata and that thing people I know so all my guys say because thanks sir because for this audience here right today we are most grateful echikwa anyị abịakwa we are celebrating with you mana nke taa si ga-abịa tibu kansa n'ọrụ mmiri na ọrụ youth agbata ka alụrụ ndọsa
ina masu shandin ina masu kuwa shan gashi nan ga daya na me yasa ka kawo ruwa ka zuba wannan ka zuta musu ruwa ka kai musu kusa wajen going the way you are related. That's what we do now. So this one now, wait, we are not going to give you. I'm going to give to my brother in Nigeria. So, Ben, what you do? Show them.
We return it to the ship. That's
Okay. You know him? Yeah, from Emirates
Much na mmemme ọjị ọ na-asọrọ ndị bịara na be ya ọjị ọkachasị ndị si mbatela aka na-abụọ Naịjirịa wee bịa
But this color is not there. This light is not there. This one, you see now. There's a difference. No, when you are And for any everything will be short time. You give me that's what we are playing. So, I got one or two. Not fun now.
I want to also
Chineke ji ike niile anyị na-ekele gị na tata anyị na-eme mmemme ikpu okpu nke papa night enyere m bụ from Pope ka esi wee nye anyị na-asị na papa night a enyere ka anyị na-achọ celebrate ndị enyi m si outside enyi si outside wee bịa anyị na-achị Chineke ụkwụ ha ji bịa ka ha ga-eji wee naa anyị na-ekwukwu na ha ga-anọcha ebe a n'udo ihe na ha ji bịa ọnụ ha niile isi agaghị awaba ahụ agaghị alụba ndị ajamụ na ajamụ agaghị ahụba ha ga-anọcha ebe a n'udo narụkwa n'udo n'aha Jizọs anyị na-ayọ gị Chukwu ji ike niile ka ị gbata n'ike na ebe gọzie ebe ha nwere mmekọrịta ute anyị nwa anyị na-ayọ gị ọbịa ha bịara be anyị ya wuri m ife ọma ojije anyị na-ejekwuru ya ugwu anyị ife ọma onye ọbụla si na Naịjirịa ruo Mumbai ife ọma ọnụ ahịa ahụrụ ha ọ dị mma onye gara Yola ndị na-akpọkọta na Yola ụmụaka na Yola ha wụzikwa big man so na ha na-eleta anyị anya ọfụma ọya ka anyị si abịa wee sị na ebe ahụ na anyị nọ ebe ahụ be na-ezere mmiri na-enweta ego n'ụbọchị rukwe taata onwebeghị ife anyị ọbụla emebiri ebe ahụ anyị na Chineke ekene nsọpụrụ iji mmadụ ege n'aha Jizọs anyị na-ayọzi gị mmiri na-emere ka ihe do na-adị anyị bido ebe ahụ dị mma were natụrụ n'ụlọ ebe ahụ ka anyị si zute abụọ anyị ji wee nata anyị na-asị ife a mere anyị ji wee nata n'udo Chineke ji ike niile gọzikwe ndị na-enyere anyị aka anyị na-ayọzi biko ka o were aka nsọ kachasị elu gọzie anyị gọzie Jesco Group niile ndị ya na-alụ na ya ndị ụkwa ndị enyi ya ndị na-azụ anyị ahịa ndị ọ na ha nwere mmeta na ụdị ọbụla osiredo ọkachasị ndị ọcha ndị India niile ndị London ndị nọcha ebe a ndị Adamawa emere kansụl anyị na-asị na ọ ga-adịrụ n'ụma n'aha Jizọs ka Chukwu ji ike na-eseti aka nsọ ya gọzie anyị gọzie ọchị a onye taa ọchị a ọtata ndụ tata ahụ isi ike tata ngozi na amara n'aha Jizọs Kraịst wee zaa anyị ọjọ́ ìgbà ni iná. You're in Nigeria. Look at Kaya Doa. Go a Fratanchi, go a house, go the cousin, Kaya Doa, Ala Day. Yes. Amen. 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 So,
My yoga. I don't say now.